Well, I got to tell you, folks, this definitely competes with BCBS caramel corn. If not tops it, it is really good. It's got a slight hint of cinnamon in there, and the house smells unbelievably good. Here's a close-up of all that goodness, and I will definitely be taking this to the next Bee Club meeting. Good night, folks. Have a good evening.